I don't know what my eyelashes think they're doing. They're just trying to sabotage my efforts. But I see you, and God is greater. Ooh, girl. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Funmi. If you're new, thank you for joining me today. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing and for coming back to watch the video. Today I'm just gonna get ready. And yeah, I just want to talk to you guys and let's chill a little bit. I'm putting on my earrings first because I've never really worn them before. I don't really like earrings like this. I don't know if I like them, to be honest. I don't know if I don't just think they suit me. You guys decide. What do you think? If they suit me or not, I don't know. Before we go into this tutorial or get ready with me, please, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do. Okay, it does help. It helps other people to get to notice this channel, and it also helps you to know when I release a video. So thank you so much for everyone who subscribes to the channel. I really can't believe how far we've gone. We've still got a long way to go, but guess what? We're doing it together and I'm happy about that. So yeah, today I'm starting with clean hands, then have my trusted cup of tea. I know it's very hot, but you know, the tea life, I can't betray it. The first thing I used was the Lacura Rejuvelate Day Cream SPF 30. It's the Aldi brand and it's really good, guys. It's very nice and creamy. If you have oily skin, I wouldn't really advise you to use it because it's somewhat like greasy. It has a greasy feel to it. But by all means, you can still use it if you want to just protect your skin, but just not under makeup, you know what I mean? Because then it can cause your makeup to get oily, and that's kind of the opposite of what you may want. Unless you're going for that glowy look, then sis, do you. So the foundation I'll be using today is the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. Okay, this foundation, it's really good, okay? If you haven't got a lot of blemishes or areas of concern, things that you want to cover, I would say definitely go for this foundation, and you can actually build it up. It's actually quite buildable. I would say it's the medium coverage. I don't need to use primer today. It's really hot, okay? The less layers the better. So I'm just gonna squirt it all on my face like so. Okay, so I'm gonna spray my brush, my already used brush, with Fix Plus and start to put foundation. I always start with the bottom half of my face because that's where I want the most coverage. You see the forehead area is a bit darker than the rest of the face. I don't want too much there. Otherwise, it looks like I'm wearing a mask on my hairline if I have too much foundation up there. So I always concentrate the foundation, the bulk of the foundation, at the bottom half of my face. Yeah, so how you guys been doing? There's so much is going on in the world right now. Like, you know, I'm not surprised by the events, but I'm just surprised by the intensity, the pace at which everything is just going. It's like, wow. So many things are going on. Like the other day we went shopping and you couldn't even buy 6 items with 50 quid. A lot of us who eat African food, we spend a lot of money because these things cost a lot. Many of them have to be shipped down here, and it would have been probably easier for a lot of people if there's a salary increase to match the price, the inflation, but the salaries are staying the same, but then cost of living is going higher. And you know what, I just said to myself, the prayer that I can pray, and I feel like everyone should pray, is that no matter how high this thing could get, may the Lord continue to bless us in order to afford the things that we want. Ooh, this thing took off too much concealer. I don't know if you guys can see that. I have a love-hate relationship with beauty sponges. I think I was a bit heavy-handed there. I believe that prices of things can go down. I also pray, if it's God's will, that these things are happening, that we will be able to afford to not just survive, but thrive. And I also pray for families that are struggling at this moment, because a lot of people are struggling, that God will provide for every single person, because the rate at which things are going high and high is crazy. A box of juice that used to be like 99p crept up to like £1.20. The other day I bought it for £1.49, and there's another one I bought for £1.75, and I thought to myself, when did it get this high? It's crazy. So I've just set my face. I applied concealer earlier on to the usual places, but I feel like the beauty sponge today for some weird reason, I don't know, maybe it's this one because it's new out of pack. Somehow it ended up taking off all my makeup. I mean, not all, don't be dramatic. It took off this area. So I'm gonna use the Profusion Rubies palette. I'm gonna use these two colors, Ruby and Rouge. Yeah, I feel like I should do a few Q&As. What do you guys think? I like Q&As. If you have any questions, like live questions or questions that you think you want me to throw out to the public, do ask them in the comment section because I would really love to talk about them. So I just did my brows. I'm just gonna clean them up with concealer. You can use any concealer that you like, but you don't have to use a light concealer like mine. You can just use something closer to your foundation or even your foundation to clean up your brows, okay? Anyway, I've just done the top of my lid. I've just evened out the base slightly, nothing too dramatic. So I'm going to be using this pressed powder from PS, that's Primark. I think I've said the story before about how I now use it as my bronzer because, like you see next to me, I bought it because I thought it would be my shade. I really don't know why. Like, I feel like I have a darker skin tone than I actually am, but actually it looks like it's not. It's darker than me and a bit red too. So this will be a bronzer for me. That's why I've been using it as my bronzer. I'm taking the angle brush to do that. When you see me dressed like this, you already know where I'm going. Church. So, like I say, I don't really like doing too much when I'm going to church. Unless like there's a party, something's going on, or I just stick to the basics, okay? Sometimes I don't even wear lashes. I don't even do makeup some days because I feel like when you're on stage, people are looking at you, you're leading them into worship, but sometimes what you're wearing can distract or deter people from worshiping. Not like you shouldn't look good. What I'm trying to say is that don't be extra than you would normally be. If you were on the sidelines, no one really cares. They're not focusing on you. You're not on the stage for everyone to see. That's not to say everyone should do that. Anyway, I'm just gonna take the same brush and put it all over my lid. Yeah, like that. Same brush. It fits but perfectly on my eyelid. I got a lot of real estate over there. So much real estate on my eyelid, so I can afford to do this. But if you don't do this, get a good brush. Get a real brush, okay? So now I've connected that and I've just done that. That's going to be the only eyeshadow we're using today till I say otherwise, because some other shadows are entering my eyes. PS Crushed Pigment eyeshadow. Help me, please. Ooh, girl. So I decided to choose one that is cool toned because, like you can see, the theme today is more of a calm, cool theme. You can see my necklace is silver. I never really wear silver. I stopped wearing jewelry for some time because I was just going through early motherhood. So that was the least of my worries. I wasn't really interested in glamming myself up. I look decent, but I was just not interested in glamming myself up, so because I had other things on my mind. But now I'm just slowly getting back into do you guys think that you lose yourself a little bit when you've had a baby? Or I don't know, I felt like I lost myself a little bit. Maybe not lose, hid myself a little bit. I just wasn't interested in anything much. I just wanted to just do the bare minimum, like get my hair in braids so I don't have to worry about it in the morning. The barest minimum. Like, it's just, maybe it's just me. I don't want to be stressed out. There's no need. So I'm using this this style down here. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. So I'm just gonna wait for the eyelashes I'm gonna use to get dried. Now my mascara is dried slightly. I'm gonna try and curl my lashes because they grow downwards. I like it up so it blends more with my falsies, and also it helps to open my eyes a bit more. Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil 01 Black Fever, 18-hour waterproof. I use this one for the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Hazelnut 25. The shade is Hazelnut 25, by the way. This is what I use all the time. So guys, I want you to send me questions, things that we can kind of talk about. I have questions I'm going to ask the audience and see what they think. If you have any questions, direct them my way, okay? One question. I'm in the market looking for good eyelash glue. The one I use currently, I don't know, it's just started to misbehave. I don't want to mention the name, but it's just started to misbehave, and I don't know, like I just need a good one. So if you have a good brand, if you know a good brand, just let me know, okay? I would love to know. Now I'm gonna spritz my face. Big Fix Plus, spray coconut. I'm using my Vital pencil in brown. Okay, I'm gonna try this one today. It's the Acrylic Pout by MUA Makeup Academy. I'm gonna put a drop. It's the shade Unwrapped. So this is a gloss and this is cute. I'm good to go this way. I think I'm good, but I do want to add lashes to add the extra. You know, some days, like even if you're a makeup artist, like you're doing your makeup and it's just no makeup in. It's not coming together. Like today, like I don't know what my eyelashes think they're doing. They're just trying to sabotage my efforts. But I see you, and God is greater. Ooh, what do you guys think? I think it's giving. It's giving something. It's cute. I like it. What do you guys think about this final look? So I did my hair and I put this clip in. Recently, I've been loving the clip in my hair. Girl, what's happening? I just don't have the luxury of time today to fix anything. Okay, so I'm just making that place more intense. This is the final look. Let me know, guys, what you think. Do you think it's cute? Do you think you'll try it? The eyeshadow for today was the Crushed Pigment eyeshadow by Primark. So if you get your hands on this, go and pack it all up because this right here is so cute and I've not hit pan. To be fair, I've not really been using it, but it looks like it's gonna last you a very long time. So go and get it. But guys, do you appreciate the L'Oreal foundation? Oh my goodness. Look at the base. Look at my base. Look at how cute it is. Look at how flawless it is. So it's what you can actually achieve with this foundation. It's not sponsored, but this is what you can get. If you live in England and you go to Superdrug, I think you can get 3 for £20, but I think that may have changed now because of that price hike and that. So, but I think they usually deals on L'Oreal products. So if you're able to get your hands on these, as long as you know your shade, you can definitely just pack like 3 of it, or pack 2 of your shade and 1 that's a little bit lighter, so you can use that for something else. But if you're able to get this on a deal, I would definitely recommend you getting these. And guys, tell me what your favorite part of this look is. Tell me what you like the most. Is it the skin work? Is it the baking? Is it the eyelashes? I'm sure it's not the eyelashes because these eyelashes, I don't know what they're doing today. I know it's not the eyelashes. Please put in the comment section below. And don't forget to put questions. Remember I talked about the Q&As. We will be doing that. We're coming to it. So send me questions, things that you feel like we should address, or you think you want to know my thoughts on. If I don't know the answer or if I don't have any opinion in it, I can get somebody else to kind of talk about it. And for anyone who was wondering, this is a heart-shaped pendant on this necklace I got from Primark. I think I like it. And the earrings too, they're from Primark. I don't know anything that's in this video that's not from Primark. I don't know, but yeah, this is cute. I think I like this look. Alright guys, until next time, I love you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the like button so people can know that I exist on this platform. And also share these videos with your friends or people you know that may find it helpful. And thank you so much. Until next time, I will see you in the next video. By God's grace, you take care of yourself. Bye.